We got some huge news for Rivian stock investors as the management team reported on key value drivers to investors from the first quarter. I'm going to share those details with you in this video. One good news is that the company demonstrated $22,000 in reduction in automotive cost of goods sold per vehicle delivered in Q1 compared to Q1 2024. Now, that improvement is sustainable, and that's one of the benefits Rivian has demonstrated over the last several quarters is a big improvement in their cost of goods sold. The company is also working towards its own driverless car technology. They launched the hands-free autonomy feature that was built in-house, leveraging their AI data, which drove a 30% increase in usage. So as I've been talking about, it's not only Tesla that's developing driverless car technology. There are many other companies developing this technology, and investors that are bullish on this technology and expect Tesla to dominate this market might want to take a look at the overall landscape of this industry and, kind of take a more practical approach to your expectations of what Tesla's going to deliver in terms of actual revenue and actual cash flow from this technology. So, given these revised outlooks and worse expectations for Rivian, I updated my proprietary discounted cash flow valuation model for Rivian. I revised downward my free cash flow expectations for the company. Now, I do expect that Rivian will lose billions of dollars in free cash flow for several years into the future, but I worsened those numbers. The intrinsic value per share for Rivian, I downgraded as well as a result of lower free cash flow expected. I now feel that these shares are worth about $2.50. The current market price is $13.50. So I feel that Rivian is significantly overvalued. And I felt this way about Rivian stock for many years now. I've told investors to avoid this stock, that it's been overvalued since 2020, 2021. And hopefully you avoided this stock. You will have saved yourself a lot of money as Rivian shares are down nearly 95% off their highs. I think there's room for Rivian shares to move even lower from here, especially if the United States passes legislation removing the $7,500 tax credit for electric vehicles. I don't like Rivian's prospects, and I think investors should wait a while longer before considering investing in Rivian stock.